was where Oahu chiefs and their armies lived, trained, and fought for control of the island. Wahiawa was also the birthplace of royal family members. Roughly translated, the name Wahiawa means place of rumbling. It was believed the rumbling sound of the thunderstorms common in the area were the voices of the ancestral gods welcoming an offspring of divine rank. Today, Wahiawa is home to people of all socioeconomic and ethnic backgrounds. If you can spare some time, visit one of the many shops and restaurants in Wahiawa town and experience the hometown pride and aloha spirit displayed by its residents. Okay, we're heading into the land of pineapple. The Hawaiian word for pineapple is halakahiki, which means foreign fruit. It is believed that pineapple first originated in Paraguay or Brazil, carried aboard 15th and 16th century trade ships.